Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we learn how to use JavaScript to display the current day and time in a specific format. Let's dive into it. Our goal is to create a program that tells us the current day and time in a format that's easy to understand. We'll include both the day and the time, formatted in the 12-hour AM/PM style. We'll use JavaScript Date to get the current date and time. The getDay method helps us find the day of the week, while getHours, getMinutes, and getSeconds gives us the time. Here's the JavaScript code to display the current day and time. We first get the current date, then extract the day, hour, minute, and second. We format the time using AM, PM, and handle special cases like midnight and noon. Let's break down the code step by step. First, we get the current day of the week and convert it to a string. Then, we calculate the current hour and decide if it's AM or PM. Finally, we handle special cases for noon and midnight. When we run the program, we get the current day and the time. For example, if today is Tuesday and the time is 10:30 PM, the output will look like this. For those using modern JavaScript, here is the ES6 version of the code. It uses const and let for variable declarations and templates literals for a cleaner output. And that's it. You've now learned how to display the current day and time in a formatted way using JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.